Laser cleaning metal. Welcome to our YouTube video on the revolutionary technology of laser cleaning metal. Today, we will explore how this cutting-edge process can efficiently and effectively remove rust, paint, and other contaminants from various metal surfaces. Laser cleaning metal involves using a high-powered laser beam to vaporize unwanted substances without causing damage to the underlying metal. This non-abrasive method is environmentally friendly and leaves no residue behind. One of the key advantages of laser cleaning is its precision. The focused laser beam can target specific areas with accuracy, making it ideal for intricate metal components or delicate surfaces. Compared to traditional cleaning methods, such as sandblasting or chemical treatments, laser cleaning is faster and more cost-effective. It also eliminates the need for harsh chemicals, reducing health and safety risks for workers. Whether you're in the automotive, aerospace, or manufacturing industry, laser cleaning metal can help improve the quality and durability of your metal parts. Say goodbye to time-consuming manual cleaning processes and hello to the future of metal surface preparation. Thank you for watching our video on laser cleaning metal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on industrial technologies. See you next time.